Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is John.
And I'm Sophia. Hi.
How are you doing today, Sophia?
I'm doing great, thanks. A little hungry, actually.
Oh really? What do you want to eat?
I'm thinking about Chinese food.
Chinese food? Oh, that sounds delicious.
Yeah, I love Chinese food. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. I eat it maybe 2 or 3 times a month.
Nice. So today we want to talk about Chinese food with you guys.
That's right. We'll share some stories, talk about our favorite dishes, and help you learn some easy English.
Perfect. Are you ready, John?
I'm ready. Let's start.
So, John, when was the first time you tried Chinese food?
Oh, that's a good question. Let me think. I was maybe 10 years old.
10 years old. That's young.
Yeah, my parents took me to a Chinese restaurant in our town.
How was it? Did you like it?
Honestly, at first I was scared.
Scared? Why?
Well, everything looked so different. The plates, the colors, the smell, it was all new to me.
I understand. New food can be scary sometimes.
Exactly. But then my dad ordered fried rice for me.
Fried rice. That's a classic.
Yes, and when I tasted it, wow, it was so good.
What did it taste like?
It was warm, a little salty, and there were small pieces of egg and vegetables in it.
That sounds delicious.
After that day, I loved Chinese food.
That's a sweet story. My first time was different.
Oh yeah? Tell me.
So, I was in college. I was studying late at night in the library.
Studying at night, that's hard work.
It was, and I was so hungry. My stomach was making noise.
I hate when that happens.
Me too. So my friend said, let's order Chinese food delivery.
Good friend.
Yes, we ordered something called sweet and sour chicken.
Oh, I know that dish. It's really popular.
Right. When it arrived, I took one bite and I fell in love.
Really? That fast?
Yes, the chicken was crispy on the outside and soft on the inside.
And the sauce?
The sauce was amazing, sweet but also a little sour, you know?
Yeah, that's why it's called sweet and sour.
Exactly. From that night, Chinese food became my comfort food.
Comfort food. That's food that makes you feel happy and relaxed, right?
Yes, for me, when I'm tired or sad, I eat Chinese food and I feel better.
So, Sophia, what's your favorite Chinese dish now?
Oh, that's hard to choose. I have a few favorites.
Tell me your top 3.
Okay, number 1 is dumplings.
Dumplings. I love those too.
They're so good, right? Little pockets of deliciousness.
Pockets of deliciousness. I like that expression.
Thanks. Inside the dumpling, there's usually meat or vegetables.
And you can eat them with soy sauce.
Yes, sometimes I add a little vinegar too.
Vinegar? Like the sour liquid?
Exactly. It gives the dumplings extra flavor.
Interesting. I need to try that.
You should. What about you? What's your favorite?
My favorite is probably Kung Pao chicken.
Kung Pao chicken. That's a good one.
Have you tried it?
Yes, once. It was a little spicy for me.
Ah, yes, it can be spicy. That's why I like it.
You like spicy food?
I love spicy food. The spicier, the better.
Wow, you're brave. I can only eat a little bit of spice.
That's okay. Everyone is different.
So what's in Kung Pao chicken?
Well, there's chicken, of course, and peanuts.
Peanuts in a chicken dish?
I know it sounds strange, but it works. The peanuts are crunchy.
Oh, I see. What else?
There are small red peppers. Those are spicy. And the sauce is dark and tasty.
It sounds delicious, but too spicy for me.
Maybe you can ask for mild spice. That means not too spicy.
Good idea. I'll remember that word, mild.
What about noodles? Do you like Chinese noodles?
Oh yes, I love noodles.
Me too. They're so satisfying.
Satisfying. That means they make you feel full and happy?
Exactly. When I eat a big bowl of noodles, I feel complete.
Same here. There are so many types of Chinese noodles.
That's true. Thick noodles, thin noodles, long noodles.
And you can have them in soup or fried.
Which do you prefer, soup or fried?
I think I prefer soup noodles.
Why is that?
The warm soup makes me feel cozy, especially in winter.
Cozy. That's a nice feeling.
What about you?
I like both, but if I have to choose, I prefer fried noodles.
The kind with vegetables and maybe some shrimp?
Yes, exactly that kind. It's called chow mein.
Chow mein. I've heard that word before.
It's very popular. You see it on almost every Chinese restaurant menu.
John, can I tell you a funny story about Chinese food?
Of course, I love funny stories.
Okay, so last year I went to a Chinese restaurant with my mom.
Nice. Just the two of you?
Yes, we wanted to have a special dinner together.
Sweet.
So we sat down and the waiter gave us the menu.
Uh-huh.
The menu was huge, like 20 pages.
That's a lot of choices.
Too many choices. My mom and I couldn't decide what to order.
I know that feeling.
We spent maybe 30 minutes just looking at the menu.
30 minutes? Wow.
Finally, the waiter came back and said, "Are you ready to order?"
And were you?
Not really, but we felt bad, so we just pointed at random dishes.
Random? So you didn't know what you were ordering?
Exactly. We just pointed and said, "This one, and this one, and this one."
That's risky.
I know, but guess what?
What?
Everything we ordered was delicious.
Really? That's lucky.
Very lucky. We laughed so much that night.
That's a great memory.
It is. Now, whenever we go to a Chinese restaurant, we just point at random things again.
That's a fun tradition. I have a story too. Want to hear it?
Yes, tell me.
Okay. So a few months ago, I decided to cook Chinese food at home.
Oh, you cooked it yourself?
I tried to. I wanted to make fried rice.
That sounds easy, right?
That's what I thought, but it wasn't easy at all.
What happened?
Well, first, I cooked the rice, but I used too much water.
Oh no.
So the rice became very soft and sticky, like glue.
Haha, glue rice.
Yeah, it was terrible, but I continued anyway.
You're brave.
Or stupid. So then I tried to fry the rice in a pan.
And?
The rice stuck to the pan. It became one big lump.
A lump, like a ball?
Yes, exactly. A giant ball of rice stuck to my pan.
Oh no, what did you do?
I tried to scrape it off with a spoon, but it wouldn't move.
Did you give up?
Almost, but then I added more oil and kept stirring.
Did that help?
A little bit. Eventually, I got the rice off the pan.
How did it taste?
Honestly, not great. It was too salty and kind of burnt.
At least you tried.
Yes, I learned something important that day.
What's that?
Cooking Chinese food is much harder than it looks.
Very true. That's why we should respect good Chinese chefs.
Absolutely. They have a real skill.
You know, John, Chinese food is different in different places.
What do you mean?
Well, Chinese food in China is different from Chinese food in America or Europe.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, for example, fortune cookies.
Fortune cookies? The little cookies with messages inside?
Yes, many people think they're from China.
They're not?
No, they were actually invented in America.
What? That's surprising.
I know, most people in China have never seen a fortune cookie.
Wow, I learned something new today.
Me too, I just learned it last week.
What else is different?
Well, some dishes are sweeter in America than in China.
Like sweet and sour chicken?
Exactly. In China, it might be less sweet and more balanced.
Interesting. So Chinese restaurants change the food for local tastes.
Yes, they adapt. That's a smart business decision.
I agree, and honestly, both versions are delicious.
True, food doesn't have to be authentic to be good.
Good point, Sophia. Let's talk about Chinese tea for a moment.
Oh, yes, tea is very important in Chinese culture.
Do you drink Chinese tea?
Sometimes, usually at Chinese restaurants.
Same here. They often bring tea to the table before the food comes.
Right, it's usually hot and kind of bitter.
Bitter. That means not sweet, right?
Yes, the opposite of sweet.
I like that bitter taste. It's refreshing.
Me too, and it helps clean your mouth before eating.
Exactly. It prepares you for the meal.
In China, tea is not just a drink, it's part of their tradition.
A tradition. Something people do for many, many years.
Yes, drinking tea together is a way to show respect and friendship.
That's beautiful.
I think so too. It makes food more than just food.
It becomes an experience.
Exactly.
Sophia, what would you say to someone who has never tried Chinese food?
Oh, good question. I would say, don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid. I like that.
Yeah, try something simple first, like fried rice or sweet and sour chicken.
Those are good beginner dishes.
And if you don't like one thing, try another. There are so many options.
That's true. Chinese food is very diverse.
Diverse, that means many different types.
Exactly. There's something for everyone.
What would you tell someone, John?
I would say go with friends.
Why friends?
Because Chinese restaurants usually serve big portions.
Oh, that's true. The plates are often big.
So if you go with friends, you can order many dishes and share.
That's a great idea. You get to taste more things.
Exactly. And eating together is more fun.
I agree. Food tastes better with good company.
Before we finish, let me ask you one more question.
Sure, what is it?
If you could only eat one Chinese dish for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Oh no, that's so hard.
I know, but you have to choose.
Okay. I think dumplings.
Dumplings. You really love those, huh?
I do. They're simple, delicious, and I never get tired of them.
Good choice.
What about you?
Probably chow mein.
The fried noodles?
Yes, with vegetables, shrimp, and that perfect sauce.
Nice. I respect that choice.
Thank you.
Well, everyone, we hope you enjoyed our conversation today.
We talk about Chinese food, shared some stories, and learned some new English words.
Remember some key words: dumplings, fried rice, noodles, spicy, mild, bitter, cozy, comfort food, tradition.
And remember, don't be afraid to try new food. You might discover something you love.
Now we have a small task for you.
Yes, in the comments below, please tell us what is your favorite Chinese dish.
Or if you've never tried Chinese food, tell us what dish do you want to try first.
We want to hear from you. Your stories help us learn too.
And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy English conversations.
We make new videos every week to help you learn English naturally.
Thank you so much for watching.
And for learning with us today.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.